I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
In the heart of a glowing forest, one little spider dreams big. With a hum and a twirl, Sunny spins something brand new. Her web was the forest. It's more than just a web, it's wonder. Wind blows away Sunny's beautiful web. Then she's sad. Sunny begins again, brighter, bolder, braver than before. Sunny did it. Every day is a chance to create something magical. Children, it's okay to try new things, make mistakes, and start again. Your ideas can become something amazing. Parents, nurture creativity and resilience. Let your child explore, fail safely, and grow through imagination. Educators, encourage original thinking and persistence. Every child's creativity is a strength worth celebrating.
Love is all we'll ever try.